To use a Santander children's account, you will first need to open an account for your child. This can be done online or in a Santander branch. You will need to provide identification for yourself and your child and proof of address. Once the account is open, you can manage it online or through the Santander mobile app. To do this, you will need to register for online banking and download the app. The Santander mobile app allows you to view your child's account balance and transaction history. You can also use the app to transfer money into your child's account and set up regular payments. It is a good idea to teach your child how to use the account and the app responsibly. You can do this by explaining the importance of keeping their account details safe and secure and showing them how to check their balance and transaction history. You can also use the account to teach your child about the importance of saving. You can encourage them to put a portion of their pocket money or earnings from a part-time job into their account each month. To make the most of a Santander children's account, you should read and understand the terms and conditions. This will help you to avoid any charges or fees and to make the most of any interest that is paid on the account. It is also a good idea to monitor your child's account regularly to ensure that it is being used responsibly. You can do this by checking the account online or through the app and by talking to your child about their account and how they are using it. By following these steps and best practices, you can help your child to get the most out of their Santander children's account and to develop good money management skills that will last a lifetime.